You've probably seen Viewmax all over Instagram, YouTube, make faceless video with AI, post them, get rich. Well, I dug into it properly. The real reviews, the complaints, and the fine print. And there's stuff those promo ads really don't want you to know, so before you spend a cent, watch this. Let's go. Let me be fair first. Viewmax is a real product. It's not an outright scam. It's a genuine tool, and here's what it does. It's an AI video platform built for faceless creators. It uses AI models like Sora 2 to generate the clips, and it's more than just a generator. It bundles in extras, a scriptwriter, AI voiceovers, auto captions. It even has courses and a community to teach you faceless content. That's the pitch. Not just software, but a whole system to build a faceless channel for yourself. It is a bit expensive though, and you can see that the plans run from $35 for the basic plan up to $140 for scale. If you take the monthly version, it's gonna be even more expensive, as you can see here. And the promise sounds great. You make videos fast, you post them, build a channel, make money, blah, blah, blah. But let me show you how that's actually supposed to work and then the honest reality. Here's the money model they sell you. And to be clear, the model itself is real. People do make money this way, just not with a magic button. Step 1, you need to choose a faceless niche. Motivation, scary stories, fun facts, Reddit stories, whatever. The kind of channel with no face, just voiceover and visuals. Step 2, you use Viewmax to pump out short videos. The script tool writes the words, the AI makes the visuals, the voiceover reads it. Captions get added automatically. In theory, it's a video in minutes. Step 3, you post them everywhere. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Volume is the game. Most will flop, one hits, and that one brings the views. And step 4, you monetize. Add revenue once you qualify, affiliate links, sponsorships, you know all the story, or you funnel viewers to your own product if you have one. That's the model, and it generally works for some people. Viewmax even has reviews from users who monetized their first channel using it. So it's not fake, all right? But let me put real numbers on the get rich part, because the ads won't. Faceless channels are a slow grind, all right? Most make almost nothing for months. The user who said it paid off, they mentioned grinding for like 2 months before monetizing the channel. That's the honest version. Not 10 grand a month, but a slow build with a lot of failed videos first. And you have to know that. But here's where I have to stop and be more honest with you, because the reality is messier than the ad makes it look. Here's the stuff the promo videos skip, and you need to hear it. Red flag number 1. The credits burn insanely fast. This is the biggest complaint by far. Those cheap plans, even though they're not cheap, well, they come with limited credits, and people report tearing through a whole month's worth in a single day. One user on the Pro plan made 2 short videos and a handful of clips, and the credits were just gone. Another said they made 4 videos and burned nearly the whole month. So this sticker price here, well, you can see it right here, you got 500. Your real cost per usable video can be way higher. Red flag number 2, and this one is the worst. When a generation fails, you still get charged credits. Yeah, that's true. The AI messes up, it gives you garbage, and you still pay for it. In a tool where beginners needs lots of tries to get it right, that's brutal. Your credits vanish on failures you can't even use. Red flag 3, the AI ignores your commands. Tons of reviews say the same thing. You tell it what you want, it does something else. One person went back and forth like for 12 hours using other AI tools just to write the prompts, and still got mostly unusable clips. So make a video in minutes often becomes hours of fighting the tool. Red flag number 4, support and billing complaints. Some users report bugs that never get fixed and support that goes silent. One review claims the company blocked them on social media after they complained. And a scam checker site gave the domain only a medium trust score, flagging that it's a new domain with hidden ownership and unclear refund terms. And the one that genuinely worried me, one reviewer said their 9-year-old granddaughter got on the site, made a harmless video, and the company charged over $200 with no age checks and no consent. Whether that's the whole story or not, unclear billing and refund terms are a real repeated theme. That's a pattern worth taking seriously. So where does that leave you? Let me be balanced, not a hater, just honest. Viewmax can work if you go in with realistic expectations. You treat it as one tool, not a money machine, and you protect yourself on the billing side. Some people generally like it for clipping and voiceovers. Those parts get decent reviews, but please be careful if you're a total beginner expecting easy money. The credit burn, the failed generation charges, and the learning curve can eat your cash fast before you make a cent. So here's my honest advice if you want to try it. Start on the cheapest plan. Never the big one. Just prove it works for you first. Test whether it actually follows your prompts before you rely on it, and assume you will waste some credits learning. And watch your billing like a hawk. Check the cancellation terms before you subscribe, not after. And use a payment method you can control, like a virtual card with a spending limit or something like that, so surprise charge doesn't wreck you. And here's a smart one. Before you pay for any AI video tool, screen record yourself using the cheapest plan for a few days. If the credits vanish or the AI won't listen, you cancel early and you've lost almost nothing. You prove it and then commit. Never the other way around. You can use this OBS Studio for free. Just Google for it. Also, you should know that there are other AI video tools out there, some with free plans and some looser limits, like Magic Light. You can Google for it as well. Viewmax is not your only option. Just shop around before you commit. So, here is the important thing to take away today. A tool this cheap with credits this tight only makes sense if your content already works. Just think about it. If you can't get views yet, a faster video machine just helps you fail faster. But if you've already got a channel pulling views, a tool that speeds you up is worth every credit, of course. So the smart order is backwards from what the ads tell you. Don't buy the tool to start the channel. Start the channel first. Start it for free. Prove people actually watch your stuff, and then buy a tool to scale what already works. Use this advice for any tool out there. This will protect you from the whole trap. The people who get burned by the tool hoping it'll create some success, but the people who win, they just buy it to multiply success they already have. It's the same tool, but it's the opposite result. Honestly, Viewmax might fit that second group. For the first group, it's just an expensive way to learn a hard lesson. Know which group you're in before you pay. So, please, before you touch Viewmax, do one thing this week. Post 5 faceless videos by hand. For free. See if anyone watches. Use other tools. If they do, then a tool like this is worth testing to go faster. If they don't, you just save yourself the subscription and the headache. Prove the content first, the tool comes second. That's the move. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.